Hi, welcome to Arizona Natural Selections. I'm Brandon, the Cultivation Director, and you're in one of our flowering rooms. Today we're going to talk about the flowering stage of cannabis, also known as the bloom phase, which is the final stage of plant growth. The flowering stage of a plant's life cycle is when a female produces a flower in order to attract pollen, which will ultimately produce a seed. Cannabis is a day-length dependent plant, meaning it will only flower when it receives less than 12 hours of daylight. We're trying to mimic the outdoor conditions that you would normally see in fall. When the sun is lower on the horizon, the day length is shorter, and the spectrum is more of a red spectrum, which we're mimicking with high-pressure sodium lights. We're also controlling temperature, air movement, and CO2. This allows us to provide cooler temperatures, which plants that flower favor. In the last week prior to harvest, we're reducing the nutrient concentration through a process called flushing. This accelerates the maturation process, and it also flushes out any excess salts that may be in the plant or in the root zone prior to harvest. We're also reducing the light intensity. This allows the plant to start the ripening process while still in the pod. The ripening process is the process of maturation of the plant. This is where the trichomes are turning from clear to amber. To make a determination of if a plant is ready or ripe to harvest, you need to look at the trichomes under a magnifying glass. After about 80% of the trichomes have turned from clear or cloudy to amber, you know that the plant is ripe and ready to harvest. After the plant is harvested, it's then handed off to our dry and cure team, and they'll handle it through the post-harvest process. Thanks for joining us in Arizona Natural Selections Flowering Room. We hope this has been an informative look at the flowering process of cannabis. We hope to see you in our post-harvest room coming up next.